Mao. Lesson 11. Today we learn how to point with words, how to say this thing here or that thing over there. In English, we use 4 special words: this, that, these, those. Why do we need 4 words? Because English cares about 2 things. 1, is it near or far? 2, is it one or many? Near plus 1 equals this. Far plus 1 equals at. Near plus many equals these. Far plus many equals at. Simple pattern. Let us learn it. First word, this. Use this for one thing that is near you, close, right here. Repeat after me, this. How to use this? This is a book. Holding or touching a book. This is my friend. Person next to you. This is good. Something you are eating, holding. This cat is smart. That is me. I like this. Pointing to something near. Important. This is for things you can almost touch. Very close. Let us practice. Point to something near you and say, this is, name the object. Do it now. Say it out loud. Good. You used this. Second word, that. Use that for one thing that is far from you. Over there, not here. Repeat after me, that. How to use that. That is a tree. Pointing to a tree far away. That is your house. Not close to you. That cat is lazy. A different cat, over there. I want that. Something far from you. That is interesting. Talking about something not near. Important difference. This equals this book. That equals that bird. See? Near versus far. Let us practice. Point to something across the room and say, that is, name the object. Do it. Say it out loud. Perfect. You understand this and that. Third word, these. Use these for many things, plural, that are near you. Repeat after me, these. How to use these. These are my books. Multiple books near you. These are my friends. Multiple people near you. These cats are cute. Multiple cats nearby. I like these. Multiple things near you. These are good. Multiple things you are holding. Important pattern. This book, 1, near. These books, many, near. See, this becomes these when there is more than one. Let us practice. Look around you. Find 2 or more objects near you and say, these are, name the objects. Example, these are my pens, or these are chairs. Say it. Great, you used these. Fourth word, those. Use those for many things, plural, that are far from you. Repeat after me, those. How to use those. Those are trees. Multiple trees far away. Those are your shoes. Multiple shoes not near you. Those cats are playing. Multiple cats far away. I want those. Multiple things far from you. Those are expensive. Multiple things not near. Important pattern. That bird, 1, far. Those birds, many, far. See, that becomes those when there is more than one. Let us practice. Point to two or more things across the room and say, those are, name the objects. Example, those are windows, or those are books. Say it. Excellent. You know all 4 words. Let us see the pattern clearly. The demonstrative pattern: near, here, far, there, one, singular, this, that, many, plural, these, those. Think of it like this: near equals you can touch it, one. This, many, these. Far equals you must point at it, one, that, many, those. Let us practice the pattern. I will describe, you say the word. 1 book in your hand, this. 1 bird in the sky, that. 3 pens on your desk, these. 2 cats across the street, those. Perfect. You understand the pattern. Now let us combine with the verb to be. Remember lesson 9. Singular, this, that. Use is. This is my cat. That is your dog. Plural, these, those. Use are. These are my books. Those are your keys. Important rule: this, that equals is, singular. These, those equals are, plural. Let us practice complete sentences. This book, you say. This is a book, or this is my book. That house, you say. That is a house, or that is your house. These cats, you say. These are cats, or these are my cats. Those trees, you say. Those are trees. Excellent sentences. Let us see how you use these words in real situations. Situation 1. Shopping. How much is this? Holding an item. I want that one. Pointing. These are too expensive. Touching multiple items. Those look good. Pointing to items far away. Situation 2. Introducing people. This is my friend Maria. Person next to you. That is my teacher. Person across the room. These are my classmates. Group near you. Those are the students. Group far away. Situation 3. Daily life. This coffee is hot. Cup in your hand. That building is tall. Building far away. These shoes are comfortable. Shoes you are wearing. Those clouds are dark. Clouds in the sky. You turn. Create 1 sentence for each situation. Shopping. I like people. Is my daily life. Is our. Say them out loud. Great real-world practice. Quick bonus tip. Sometimes this and that are not about physical distance. They are about time or importance. Examples. This is important. What I am saying right now. That was fun. Something in the past. This week. The current week. Close in time. That day. A different day. Far in time. This is my favorite. Emphasizing. That is interesting. Something you are considering. So remember, near far can mean physical distance, time distance, mental distance, close to your heart or not. English is flexible. Homework time. Task 1. Walk around your home. Point to objects and practice. Touch something. This is an object. Point cross room. That is an object. Touch multiple things. These are objects. Point to multiple things far. Those are objects. Do this 10 times. Task 2. Take a photo of your workspace or room. In the comments, describe it using these words. This is my desk. Those are my books. These are my pens. Or just write sentences without the photo. Task 3. Review the chart. Write it down. Draw pictures if it helps. In Lesson 12, you learn common adjectives: big, small, good, bad, hot, cold. These words describe things, and combined with what you learned today. This is big. Those are small. you will be able to describe everything. But today, you learned how to point with words, near or far, one or many, this, that, east, those. 4 simple words with big power. Practice pointing. Practice describing. See you tomorrow. Meow.